Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another unboxing, yay! And it's a subscription box, and I'm really excited because you know how much I love natural products with really great ingredients. And in this case, we have products from Hemplife. So let's open this baby because I'm dying to see what's inside. Okay, this is kind of heavy. Smells really good. Ooh, okay, now I can show you the box. It's white, it says Hemplife here. Really pretty. Let's open this one. And ta-da! Hemp oil is so good for your skin that you have to try it. This is made from real artisans in the US and Canada, and these are natural ingredients. So the first thing that I see is this little card with the Hemplife logo on one side, and on the other side it says all natural hemp bath products. Oh yes, I forgot to tell you, it's a subscription box with bath products, and it says get your Hemplife subscription box by visiting hemplife.cratejoy.com. I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description box. Ooh. Okay, it comes with 8 products. Look how pretty it looks. Oh my God, something's gonna fall. So I'm gonna start with this one. It says patchouli and vanilla hemp lotion. It's made by Luminous Stone. You can see it's a really nice container. It comes with all the ingredients in the back. Don't forget to read the ingredients, it's very important. Smells good. It's 6 ounce and the retail value is $10.99. You can find it on Etsy.com. The store name is Luminous Stone. It's good that they tell you the Etsy stores names, so you can go and buy the products from them. You know that I like taking care of my hair. I'm crazy about hair products, and you know that I have a couple of videos, well, they're in Spanish, but I have a couple of videos on how to take care of your hair in a natural way. So if you can take a look at them, if you're bilingual, I'm gonna put subtitles one of these days. But this is an argan and hemp plant-based herbal shampoo, and the same with the conditioner. They're from wild nettle apothecary. It says it's made with pure plant-based ingredients. That's great. No artificial colors, no synthetic fragrances. It's very important. I always tell you guys, no perfumes. Don't put anything with perfumes on your skin or scalp. So these ingredients are amazing. It has aloe vera, lavender, chamomile, vegetable glycerin, argan oil, rosehip oil. Okay, it has great ingredients. I'm dying to try this, and at the end of the label it says be kind, please recycle. I love this brand already. It's 8 ounces each. Retail value of $32, both for $32. You can find them on Etsy too. Wild nettle apothecary. Okay, I have to look for that word. Apothecary. And the next product that I found in this box is the lavender lemon deodorant bar from Canada. Wow, it's 2.5 ounces. It says it has organic hemp oil, grapeseed oil, vitamin E, organic shea butter, beeswax, baking soda, because it doesn't have aluminum, so it looks pretty good. I'm gonna open it. I don't know if you're done the transition already to natural deodorant. I haven't, but a friend of mine told me that she was transitioning for about 4 weeks, because you know it's kind of hard to do that transition. Sometimes your body reacts different. Smells really good. The deodorant is $6, not bad, and it's made by Tiendas Aromatherapy. Aromatherapy. Okay, you can find them on Instagram too. So the next product that I see in this box is this Asian pear. Ooh, Natural Hemp Lip Balm. I love lip balms. I love taking care of my lips. Sometimes we forget that it's important to take care of our, I'm gonna try it. Oh, it feels so good on my skin. This is gonna be my favorite lip balm from now on. It says it has organic coconut oil, organic hemp seed oil, organic cocoa butter. Okay, I love it. I love it already. It's made by Herbology Organics, and I'm gonna see it retails for, let me find it here. Oh, okay, there's peach or pear, the one that I got, and it's only $5. I know, they're natural products. It's worth it. This is so cute. It's a bath bomb. It's 4 ounces, made by Bethany Bathhouse. It says it has baking soda, citric acid, cornstarch, hemp seed oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil. Okay, it's great. It's great. Wow, I haven't opened the bag and I can smell it. Oh, it smells so good. It reminds me of something. I don't know what. Oh my God, this smells so good. I'm gonna hide it so my sisters don't use it. You know, because sometimes you leave your stuff out there and someone in your family just grabs it and uses it and you're like, oh my God, I was saving that for later. Now this, I think it's a soap. Yes, it's a soap. It says Franken Farms Dirty Hippie. Dirty Hippie. Goat's milk and hemp healing soap, all organic. It retails for Franken Farms $4, and it says that it provides excellent benefits to your skin with goat's milk soap base, hemp oil, beeswax, vitamin E oil, hemp seed, clove, cinnamon, tea tree, peppermint, blah blah blah, patchouli, and rosemary oil. It looks, oof. I'm gonna take this soap everywhere with me. And look at this. This is so cute. And this is, I guess this is the candle. I'm gonna show it to you like that and then like this, and we're gonna take it out. So this is the hemp seed candle, 8 ounces from Thera Products, and it's $29. Let's open it. I wish you could smell this through YouTube. It smells so good. I love it. I love candles. I love this smell. What ingredients does this have? I don't see the ingredients anywhere, but I'm gonna look online. I like the packaging so much. Good job, theraproducts.com. I think this is it for now. I'm loving this box. I love all the ingredients that I've read on their labels. So hope you have a great month. Use the hashtag Hemplife wherever you can. Of course, we are going to use that hashtag because we love this box. I'm sure you're gonna love it. I'm just going to repeat the plans because it's really important that you guys know what you're getting when you subscribe to this box. So you have the premium box, that is this one for $55 plus shipping, the spa box that is $34.50 plus shipping, and the Hemp Life Basics that is $29.99 plus shipping. It's a great gift for people like me who love natural products, who love to pamper themselves. This is it for now. I love it. Thank you, Crystal. Thank you, Hemp Life. Don't forget to use the hashtag Hemp Life. Tell me what you think about these products if you've already tried them. I'm gonna take this candle with me everywhere. And of course, now that I'm going on a lot of trips, I'm gonna be traveling so much the rest of the year. So I'm gonna take my dirty hippie I love that name, my dirty hippie soap everywhere. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you love this video. I hope you guys try this box and let me know what you think. And I hope to see you next time. Mwah.